Good morning. This is me Nafisa. Today I would like to share basic information about vitamin B6. Let's start with the function of vitamins. Vitamins are essential to life. Vitamins are necessary to keep us healthy, as vitamins help in the proper functioning of the human body. There are 13 vitamins. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat soluble vitamins. Vitamin B complex and vitamin C are water soluble vitamins. There are 8 B complex vitamins. Vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12. One of the 8 B complex vitamins is vitamin B6. Common name is vitamin B6 and scientific name is pyridoxine, also known as pyridoxine hydrochloride or pyridoxine HCl, which is the hydrochloride salt of pyridoxine. Vitamin B6 was discovered in 1934 by Paul György. Vitamin B6 is an essential micronutrient. Vitamin B6 is required in very small amounts by the human body, hence mentioned as micronutrients. Although required in very small quantities by the human body, but their impact on body's health is critical. Vitamin B6 is not produced by humans. That's why we need to get vitamin B6 from the food that we eat. Hence, vitamin B6 is an essential dietary component. Vitamin B6 is not produced by humans. The bacteria that live naturally in the intestines of human beings are known to synthesize vitamin B6. However, vitamin B6 produced by the intestinal bacteria is not sufficient to meet the host's daily requirements. Vitamin B6 is a water-soluble vitamin. Water-soluble vitamins means dissolves in water and is absorbed and delivered to the body tissues for immediate use. Whatever is needed is utilized by the body. Water-soluble vitamins are generally not stored in the body except for vitamin B12, which is stored for 3 to 5 years in the liver, but other vitamins are excreted out. Excess, that is whatever is not needed, is excreted out of the body in the urine. So it's unusual to get any toxicity. Because human body cannot make and cannot store vitamin B6, so absolutely necessary to get vitamin B6 daily. Through food or enriched foods or fortified foods or through supplements to maintain adequate levels in our body and avoid deficiency. Vitamin B6 deficiency can have a number of health issues. Pyridoxine is naturally present in the food. Good food sources of vitamin B6 include salmon fish, chicken liver, beef, pork, meat, eggs, milk, spinach, green peas, chickpeas, avocado, sweet potato, carrots, pineapple, jackfruits, banana, lemons, nuts, peanuts, chestnuts, oats, dates, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, flax seeds, garlic. An individual or a pregnant woman is eating a healthy, varied, and a well balanced diet every day. He or she should be able to get all their daily requirements of vitamin B6 from the diet itself. If a pregnant lady or an individual does not get vitamin B6 from the foods, they can get vitamin B6 through fortified foods. Now, what is fortified food? Vitamins or nutrients that are added to certain foods that normally do not have vitamins or nutrients. That is what we call it as fortified foods, or we can also say as enriched foods. Certain breads, biscuits contain pyridoxine. Though breads and biscuits have pyridoxine, but as per our Indian diet, not all pregnant women or individuals will eat these. And if they eat breads and biscuits, but this may not be eaten every day. If a pregnant lady or an individual is not taking vitamin B6 rich foods or not taking fortified foods, then how will she get pyridoxine? Pyridoxine can be artificially substituted by taking oral capsules or tablets. Tablets or capsules is called as supplements. Since capsules or tablets or tonics are taken in addition to the food, so called as dietary supplements or nutritional supplements. Dietary is food. Supplements means in addition to. So nutritional supplement means give vitamin B6 supplements along with food. Dietary supplement in the market is available as multivitamin. Vitamin B6 deficiency is generally found in individuals with highly restricted diets. Vitamins are not equally present in food. Hence, if an individual is on a restricted diet, there is a possibility that he or she will lack in one or more vitamins. Therefore, remember, our grandmother and even our mummy always tells us, you need to eat all foods and not be fussy and say that I don't like this food, etc. etc. Vitamin B6 deficiency can occur if a person takes inadequate diet. This is the most common reason. Restricted diet means not eating all foods, and inadequate diet means eating but in less quantity. Conditions that prevent the small intestine from absorbing nutrients from the foods are more likely to be vitamin B6 deficient. People suffering from digestive disorders, IBD, celiac disease, certain illness, certain medications such as anti-epileptic drugs, individuals who are obese. Deficiency of B6 is also seen in lifestyle choices such as alcohol consumption. People who drink heavily eat poorly, and also alcohol prevents the body from absorbing nutrients. A person may become deficient in vitamin B6 if he consumes often foods that are high in sugar or frozen foods, canned foods, cooked foods or processed foods. Hence, we are told from childhood that sugar and all processed foods are bad for health and need to take fresh fruits and vegetables. One of the most important reasons for pyridoxine deficiency is pregnancy. Pregnancy greatly increases the need for vitamin B6 because the demand for the vitamin increases significantly. Especially in pregnancy, their need is more than the food that they are eating, that is the intake. If there is a pregnant lady in our home, then our grandmother always advises her to eat more than a normal diet. If a pregnant lady has less food, then results in deficiency of nutrients. Pyridoxine is one of the nutrients. So if deficiency in pyridoxine, we call it as nutritional deficiency. Another reason for less intake of food or nutrients during pregnancy is NVP, or nausea and vomiting of pregnancy, also called as morning sickness. NVP is very common in early pregnancy. 70 to 80% of pregnant women will experience NVP. Even if the food is available and she can afford to eat, but she will not eat because of nauseated feeling. Whereas some pregnant women have vomiting, and because of vomiting, a pregnant woman will not eat and also they are unable to retain the food. Hence, deficiency of nutrients occurs, called as nutritional deficiency. It is named vitamin B6 because there are 6 forms or 6 vitamers. What is a vitamer or a vitamer? A vitamer is any one of the substances that makes up a vitamin. All these 6 vitamers of vitamin B6 have a similar vitamin activity. These 6 vitamers are functionally interchangeable, and these vitamers protect against deficiency symptoms for that vitamin. 6 vitamers or 6 forms of vitamin B6 are pyridoxine, pyridoxamine, pyridoxal, and they are phosphate forms, that is pyridoxine 5-phosphate, pyridoxamine 5-phosphate, pyridoxal 5-phosphate. Pyridoxine or pyridoxine hydrochloride is a form or vitamer of vitamin B6. Actually, all 6 vitamers or all 6 forms should technically be referred to as vitamin B6. But vitamin B6 term is used only for pyridoxine. Why is it so? Because the first reason is pyridoxine is chemically stable. Second reason is pyridoxine is found naturally in a wide range of foods. And the third reason is pyridoxine is most commonly used form of vitamin B6 in dietary supplements. Let's understand now, out of the 6 forms of vitamin B6, which form of vitamin B6 is the best? Pyridoxine is most commonly found in food and many dietary supplements. Pyridoxal 5-phosphate is the most biologically active form. What is the difference between pyridoxine hydrochloride and pyridoxal 5-phosphate? Pyridoxine is available in foods and in supplements. Pyridoxine is chemically stable but is in inactive form. Absorbed pyridoxine is converted in the liver of human body to pyridoxal 5-phosphate. Pyridoxal 5-phosphate is abbreviated as PLP or pyridoxal 5'-phosphate or pyridoxal 5-phosphate. Pyridoxal 5-phosphate is biologically active form of vitamin B6. Pyridoxal phosphate is also stable and is available in modern supplements. Sources of pyridoxine are food and supplements. Sources of pyridoxal 5-phosphate are inside the human body and modern supplements. Both pyridoxine and pyridoxal 5-phosphate are good. Both pyridoxine and pyridoxal 5-phosphate have the same health benefits. Pyridoxine is in the inactive form. Pyridoxine has to be converted in the human body to the active form, that is pyridoxal 5-phosphate. Pyridoxine has proven its efficacy beyond doubt for the last 55 years. There are brands available for the last 55 years which contain pyridoxine. Human body synthesizes pyridoxal 5-phosphate very efficiently from pyridoxine. A quick overview on the difference between vitamin B6 and its Vitamers. Pyridoxine is the storage form of vitamin B6, is found in plant foods. Pyridoxine is most stable form of the vitamin. The body activates it by changing it to pyridoxal 5-phosphate. Pyridoxal is another storage form of vitamin B6, is found in animal products and dairy products. The human body can change pyridoxal into the active form pyridoxal 5-phosphate. Pyridoxamine is a chemical combination of pyridoxine and pyridoxal. Human body breaks down pyridoxamine into pyridoxine and pyridoxal, which in turn forms pyridoxal 5-phosphate, the active form of vitamin B6. Pyridoxal 5-phosphate is the form of vitamin B6 the body actually uses. There is no such thing as recommended pyridoxal 5-phosphate dosage or a pyridoxal 5-phosphate deficiency, since our body makes this specific chemical. Dosages are measured for pyridoxine that is most commonly found in food. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.